The Trump administration has asked the U.S. Supreme Court to decide the public charge issue once and for all. This announcement came on January 13th when the Trump administration filed an emergency appeal in front of the U.S. Supreme Court, asking it to intervene to allow the public charge rule to take effect. This would essentially lift those lower court orders that block the rule, while the administration, in the meantime, keeps appealing those lower court orders. This public charge rule has been litigated in many different circuits across the United States. The injunction that was upheld thus far by the Second Circuit Court of Appeals is the one that ultimately is impacting the rule nationwide, blocking that rule from taking effect. The Trump administration wants the rule to take effect while they figure out those lawsuits in the meantime. The administration says in its filing that the injunction order staying in place will cause irreparable harm, and that's why we need to get rid of the injunction. Now, the Trump administration wanted this rule to ultimately go into effect 3 months ago, back on October 15th. They filed this January 13th filing, hoping they can speed up implementation so that that rule can take effect sooner and that definition of public charge can be changed. What's next is up to the Supreme Court judges themselves. Because the court order that's at issue right now is in front of the New York courts and the Second Circuit Court of Appeals, that goes to Justice Ginsburg to review. The Supreme Court's justices divide up who answers emergency appeals based on which states they come from. And Justice Ruth Bader Ginsburg is in charge of handling emergency appeals that come in the New York region. So she's the one that will first review this emergency filing. She can rule on it all by herself if she wants to. She can decide whether or not the Supreme Court should lift this injunction and take up this emergency appeal. Or she can refer it to the full court. That's more commonly the practice, to put it in front of the whole court, especially in this instance where there may be disagreement among the circuits, but she can do it herself if she wants to. Meanwhile, as you may recall, and we have a separate video on what's happening in the Second Circuit Court of Appeals, that court still needs to hear this public charge case on the merits. The injunction still is in place. This rule has not taken effect nationwide, and there is a February briefing schedule due for that litigation. So stay tuned. There is more to come on this issue. We share with you in the description below a link to what was actually filed in front of the U.S. Supreme Court on January 13th by the U.S. Solicitor General. You can read that emergency rule and some of the other reasons they give for why this public charge rule should be changed and take effect immediately. We will keep you posted as we learn more and as more comes out of other circuits. So make sure you subscribe so you too can stay up to date.